Repair products. Make use of Ultra Prime 112, the primer, then the Ultrapatch 522, the concrete repair mortar, and Ultra Finish 312, the cosmetic repair mortar. Typical cracks seen on the concrete surface has to be cut at least 10 mm below the reinforcement level. Clean the gaps with brush or air blower to remove all dust and dirt. Mix the measured quantity of water with the Ultra Prime 112 and make it as smooth paste using a slow-moving mixing drill. First, apply the primer coat, that is Ultra Prime 112. Then, mix the measured quantity of water with the Ultrapatch 522 and make it as smooth paste using a slow-moving mixing drill. Apply the paste into the grooves. Then, mix the measured quantity of water with the Ultra Finish 312 and make it as smooth paste using a slow-moving mixing drill. Finally, finish it with Ultra Finish 312. For small cracks, use Ultra Finish 312 alone.